Hey everyone, and welcome back. So I'm going to be talking to you about Gemini, the new AI image generator from Google. Although Gemini is more than just an assistant which can write anything you want, so it's your creative partner. Using advanced machine learning, it can generate stunning images based on your descriptions and prompts, which is better than DALL-E 2. Whether you're a seasoned artist, a casual doodler, or simply someone with a wild imagination, Gemini empowers you to bring your ideas to life in a whole new way. So how does it work? By using simple text prompts, you can tell Gemini what you want to see. Describe a fantastical landscape, a quirky character, or even a futuristic city, and watch as the AI paints your words into reality. Then to sign up for Gemini, you need to go to the Gemini website. Once you're there, click on the Sign Up button. You can use your Google account or email address. It's quick and easy. Now, the fun begins. You'll see a text box where the magic happens. This is where you tell Gemini what you want to see. You will then be prompted to enter a description of the image you want to create. You can be as specific or as vague as you want. For the best prompt, generate an image about, then write anything you want. Once you've entered your prompt, click on the Generate button. Then Gemini will then generate an image for you. You can download the image or share it with others. So you'll get several options based on your prompt. Don't like them all? No worries. Click Generate More for fresh variations. So creating stunning visuals with Gemini is just that simple. Remember, there are no limits to your imagination, so have fun experimenting and exploring the possibilities with Gemini. So here are a few tips and tricks for getting the most out of Gemini. 1. Be specific in your prompts. The more specific you are in your prompts, the better the results will be. For example, instead of saying generate a landscape, say generate a landscape of a mountain range with a lake in the foreground. 2. Use keywords. When you're entering your prompts, use keywords to help Gemini understand what you're looking for. For example, if you want to create an image of a cat, use the keywords cat, feline, and animal. 3. Experiment with different styles. Gemini can generate images in a variety of styles, from realistic to abstract. Experiment with different styles to see what works best for your project. 4. Use the Refine tool. The Refine tool allows you to make changes to your image after it's been generated. You can use this tool to adjust the colors, the lighting, and the composition of your image. So Gemini is a powerful tool that can help you create stunning images. It's easy to use, and it can be used to create a wide variety of images. If you're looking for a way to add some creativity to your projects, I encourage you to give Gemini a try. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more AI tutorial content.